To fix a Whirlpool front-load washer that won't turn on, start by checking the power connection and supply. Often, the issue is due to a disconnection from the power supply or a low voltage supply. Ensure the washer is directly plugged into a grounded 3-prong outlet, avoiding the use of extension cords. Verify that the supply line circuit breaker or ground fault circuit interrupter (GFCI) hasn't been tripped. If the washer is connected properly, measure the voltage across the power terminals at the control board to confirm it meets the washer's specifications. If the voltage is inconsistent, the control board is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. To replace the control board, first disconnect the washer from the power supply. Then unscrew and unmount the top panel. Detach the control board from the side panel. Release the wire covers and unplug the wires from the board, taking note of their orientation. Install a new control board by plugging the wires into the correct positions and remounting it to the washer. Finally, screw the top panel securely back into place before repowering the washer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Whirlpool front-load washer that won't turn on.